Hello friends. Welcome to Lingoland. In this video, you will learn common kitchen utensils and appliances in German. Let's start. Utensils and appliances.
Utensilien und Geräte.
Knife,
Messer,
fork,
Gabel,
spoon,
Löffel,
plate,
Teller,
glass,
Glas,
cup,
Tasse,
mug,
Becher,
jug,
Kanne,
tray,
Tablet,
bottle,
Flasche,
bowl,
Schüssel,
pan,
Pfanne,
pot,
Topf,
lid,
Deckel,
can or container,
Dose,
chopping board,
Schneidebrett,
strainer,
Sieb,
grater,
Reibe,
peeler,
Schäler,
napkin,
Serviette,
kitchen towel,
Küchentuch,
dustbin,
Mülleimer,
stove,
Herd,
oven,
Ofen,
microwave,
Mikrowelle,
refrigerator,
Kühlschrank,
freezer,
Gefrierschrank,
electric kettle,
Wasserkocher,
toaster,
Toaster,
blender.
Mixer.
Great job! You've learned 30 German kitchen words. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next German lesson.